Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Amy Belcastro, and I'll be working with you this quarter. I also am the MSED coordinator for our program, as well as teach a few courses in the program and advise in a few concentrations. So, welcome. You're either in your first or second quarter. So, I encourage you to join the conversations, lean in, and take advantage of our MSED homeroom. Not only is it something that you're required to do for the orientation aspect and to understand the policies and resources available to you, but it's also a great place to connect with your colleagues. Each concentration has a concentration corner, which is a kind of a forum, very much social media kind of platform. And we have leaders in each concentration, liaison leaders, that will be reaching out to you and asking you to connect. So if you haven't already jumped on, post your name, just kind of introduce yourself to your people. It's such an important way to connect and network, which is a really big part of grad school. So welcome, and I will be providing a brief overview of what you can expect in the course, and just really excited to have you here.